For 20 years, the baby Lamborghini was defined by one thing: a screaming, naturally aspirated V10. That era is over. The 2025 Temerario isn't just the Huracan's replacement. It's a 920 horsepower plug-in hybrid monster with a new V8 that revs to an insane 10,000 RPM. But with turbos and batteries, has Lamborghini sacrificed its soul for speed? This isn't just a new benchmark, it's a high-tech identity crisis. Let's start with that engine. It's a brand new 4-liter flat-plane crank V8. On its own, it makes 800 horsepower, but the crazy part is that 10,000 RPM redline. Lamborghini says they didn't even need this for power. They did it purely for the emotion and the sound. They used race car tech like titanium rods and special carbon coatings just to make sure it screams all the way to redline, trying to recreate the drama of the V10. Then Lamborghini adds 3 electric motors for that combined 920 horsepower. 2 of them power the front axle, giving it instant all-wheel drive and incredibly precise torque vectoring. Basically, it can pull itself through a corner with electric precision. The 3rd motor is packed right into the new 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox. Its main job is to fill any torque gap from the massive turbos, making the power delivery feel linear and absolutely explosive from a standstill all the way to its 213 mph top speed. But here's the conflict. The performance is undeniable, but it comes at the cost of the V10's legendary wailing soundtrack. For many purists, that mechanical scream was the Lamborghini experience. This car is a direct shot at the Ferrari 296 GTB, matching it with the V-engine hybrid formula. It's faster, smarter, and more efficient than the Huracan in every single measurable way, but it also means Lamborghini has joined the hybrid turbo crowd. It's a battle of objective performance versus subjective passion. So what's the verdict? The 2025 Lamborghini Temerario is a monumental leap. It proves that the future of the supercar is hybrid, and it's bringing hypercar-level performance to the entry-level segment. While we'll miss the V10's roar, the 10,000 RPM V8 and the massive electric boost have created a new kind of monster. The Huracan is dead. Long live the Temerario.